Hello, and welcome to my Railroads of Cincinnati #1 Railroad Narrative. First, I'll be featuring my matted print of Chessie System SD40-2, number 7607. This locomotive is featured in my Chessie System Locomotives poster and my Railroads of Pittsburgh poster. Next, I feature my matted print of Norfolk Southern SD40-2, number 3270. This locomotive is featured in my Norfolk Southern Locomotives poster and my Railroads of Chattanooga poster. Next, I feature my Amtrak Veterans P42DC, number 42. This locomotive is featured in my Veterans Locomotives poster. Let me know what other railroads, locomotives, and cities you would like me to feature in the comment section of this video, and enjoy more of my railroad narratives I have made. Thank you so much.